All right, so I want to evaluate this integral over here. This is called a definite integral. Okay, so hopefully this comes out cool. So from here, we've got to integrate this. We're going to first simplify this. We take the x squared and we distribute it to each term. Now, the integral starts from 1 and 2. So we're actually finding the area of this graph between the x values of 1 and the x values of 2 underneath that graph. The first step would be to simplify. So I want to simplify this by distributing the x squared to both the 6x4 and -1. So I end up with the following. Let's just simplify this quickly. So we got 6x to the power of 4 over x squared minus 1 over x squared. And we end up with 6x squared minus x to the -2. I would then integrate this because it means exactly the same thing. I just rewrote it by simplifying it. We perform a normal integration on this. So this becomes 6x to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus x to the -1 over -1. And we put all of this in a bracket with our starting and ending value being 1 and 2 respectively. I'm going to simplify this further so it's more manageable, and the negative and negative will become a positive. And I'm going to write 1 over x as x to the -1 is 1 over x. I would then substitute the 1 first, the 2 first, because that's the ending value. So I would put the 2 first into each value for x. This would end up as 2 bracket 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 over 2. I would then subtract 2 to the power of 1, which I would then substitute in there. And I end up with 2 to the power of 1 cubed plus 1 over 1. And this becomes 8 times 2 is 16 and a half. So 16 and a half minus 2 plus 1, which is 3. We end up with 13 and a half. And that would be value of the area.